Hello children, today we will talk about material and how things are made from each material. There are many kinds of materials, like for example, glass. A glass is made out of glass, but there are many other things which can be made out of glass. It's a cup. This is a paper cup. A cup can be made out of paper. And paper, books, etc. are also made out of paper. So for that, the material is paper. And then we have plastic. Plastic is a very popular material. It can be used for utensils and a lot of other things like toys as well. And then you have buildings. Buildings are made out of concrete. Concrete buildings, it's very hard. It's a solid substance. And then a spoon. A spoon is made out of steel. There are many other things which are made out of steel as well. And then a tie. A tie is made out of cloth. Your shirt, your pants, your dresses, and so many other things are also made out of cloth. So there are many other materials as well. Let's learn